In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present Google Slides without showing notes. If you've ever worried about your speaker notes popping up in front of your audience, this quick walkthrough will give you a clean, distraction-free presentation every time. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you can see your files right away. On the homepage, you'll find a section that lists your most recent work. This is the fastest way to jump back into something you've been editing. Find the presentation you want and open it from the recent area. If you've added speaker notes to your slides, don't worry, those are just for your reference while editing and won't appear to viewers when you present. With your deck open, look to the top right of the screen for the slideshow button. Click it to launch your presentation in full screen. This is the key to keeping notes hidden. In slideshow mode, Google Slides shows only the slide content to your audience. Speaker notes, the slide thumbnails, and the editing interface all stay out of sight. If you're on a single screen, everything switches to full screen slides and your notes are automatically hidden. If you're using two displays, like a laptop and a projector or an external monitor, your computer may show a presenter view with your notes on your personal screen while the audience sees only the slides on the other display. That's expected behavior and still keeps your notes private. When sharing your screen in a video meeting, choose the window or screen that shows the full slides, not your editing window, to avoid exposing notes. Once you're presenting, use your keyboard's arrow keys or the space bar to move forward and the left arrow or backspace to go back. If you need to pause for a moment, you can stop on a slide without revealing anything else. Notes won't appear unless you exit slideshow and return to the editor. To exit at any time, press the escape key and you'll return to the normal editing view. A couple of quick tips before you present. Do a short practice run to confirm your slides display correctly on the screen you plan to share and close any extra browser tabs to keep things focused and reduce distractions. If you're ever unsure what your audience is seeing, glance at the projector or shared screen preview. What you see there is exactly what they see. That's it. Open Google Slides, select your recent presentation and start slideshow. Your notes stay private and your presentation stays polished.